Hey everyone, welcome back to Future AI Tools. Today, I've got something truly mind-blowing for you, an AI tool that can create realistic talking avatar videos in just minutes. Meet HeyGen AI, a game changer for content creators, marketers, and businesses. Stay till the end because I'll show you how to access it for free and create high-quality AI-generated videos in just a few clicks. Let's dive in. HeyGen AI is an advanced AI-powered tool that lets you create professional quality talking avatar videos from text. No camera, no actors, just type your script, choose an avatar, and HeyGen does the rest. AI avatars, choose from a huge library of hyper-realistic AI avatars. Text to video, just type your script, and AI converts it into a talking video. Voice cloning, make AI avatars sound just like you. Multi-language support, supports over 40 languages, perfect for global content. No editing skills required, AI handles everything automatically. This tool is perfect for YouTube creators, businesses, educators, and marketers looking to create content fast. Now, let me show you how you can create AI avatar videos with HeyGen AI in just minutes. Step 1. Go to heygen.com and sign up for free. Step 2. Select your AI avatar from dozens of professional-looking models. Step 3. Type or paste your script. You can also upload your own voice for cloning. Step 4. Choose a language and voice style that fits your content. Step 5. Click Generate. In just seconds, you'll get a high-quality AI video ready to use. Pro tip: you can even upload your own face and create a custom AI avatar. Let's compare HeyGen AI with traditional video creation. No need for filming, no camera, actors, or lighting setup required. Saves time and money, AI-generated videos in minutes versus hours of editing. More engaging, realistic AI avatars boost engagement on social media. Perfect for YouTube and marketing, AI avatars make content creation super easy. If you want to save time, reduce costs, and scale your video production, HeyGen AI is the best tool for you. And that's it. HeyGen AI is revolutionizing content creation by making AI avatar videos easy, fast, and professional looking. Try it for free and start creating AI-powered videos today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more AI tools and tech updates. Which AI tool should I review next? Drop your suggestions in the comments. See you in the next video.